I just finished doing the first half of the rinse off on this just because I got this thing mortifyingly dirty. C7 Z06 Corvette snow plow. Take one. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. I know, it bothers me too, but this was not a clickbait video. We really did just plow snow with this. Give the video a thumbs up as you're watching. Subscribe down below if you want to see these videos more often. We got a full arrowed out modified C7 Z06. That's just for your advantage. I'm just telling you to subscribe because if you want these videos, boom, you'll get notified. Hit that little bell icon too. This seems like a great idea, doesn't it? Boy. Oh no, you do not have to. You do not have to film me. You can film the car. We'll slide?
Probably.
No. Wow. Crazy.
Some all seasons.
Let's see if we make. Oh, we're live! Yo, these all seasons. Beautiful day out, isn't it? Great weather to drive in. You want to go to Acme and drift in the parking lot? Yeah. Oh shit. We even got weather mode for this. It's totally fine. See? It's like a Corolla. It's like a truck. It's like my Tacoma. It's totally fine. She didn't think this was a good idea.
Well, the roads aren't icy anymore either.
You're not nice anymore. Oh, you said icy. I think you're good.
So bad. So bad. Harder. I don't want to touch it and then be dirty in your car. Hold up.
What'd you think about that?
It was really cool.
You had fun with that? Yeah. You like that? That make you want the sex scenes? No. That's a mating call for you. This is asphalt. It's just really dirty asphalt. But it would be a shame if I pulled up here and didn't get a picture like right here, so I look like I'm just part of the plowing crew, you know what I mean? Like, just me and my bros out here plowing, doing our thing. So we're gonna just, right there. I need my damn shoes, woman.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, I see what you can get the water off. I should just shut the fuck up, shouldn't I? Oh! 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 You know, I haven't had my car this dirty in a long time.
It's so dirty.
I like it though, looks good, right? That's great, yeah. C7 Z06 Corvette snow plow. Take one. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. That is good. We got her dirty. We plowed some snow with it. We got what we needed. definitely. Hold on. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's just what we're looking for. All this stuff. Right there. You know, I kind of like how it looks, and this would be a good time for me to get into the track. That's an ownership review on this car. I love it. It's been super reliable. I can plow all the streets with it. I mean, everybody plow their driveway. Okay, obviously not, but
just went stop and got some groceries so we can make tacos later.
for sale, rust free, never seen rain or dirt or snow. And we're back. Just so y'all don't think I'm a total asshole. I mean, I am, but I'm not totally irresponsible, not completely irresponsible. We're just gonna get the majority of this crud off of this, because that is not good once it dries. Wet, not really the worst thing in the world, but dry, no bueno. Look at that. Almost perfectly clean. And I got 3 more of these left. So, I'll get this taken care of, and then I'll get back with you in a moment. My friends, look, we still got some snow. Still got some snow in the snow plow. Very good. Very, very good. And then I'm gonna get the other 2 and finish this off. Why did I do this? A, because it's just a car. I take care of it. It's getting the paint correction soon anyway. So whatever small little scratches or whatever, what have you, that the dirt and sand has brought on, we'll be able to get it gone. Don't worry. It is very impressive how crazy and how dirty that parking lot was, though. I mean, honestly, that's wild. That truly is wild. Huh. I'm probably gonna fill these up again one more time, just to get everything off that I want to, and then she'll be good to go. Look, I know maybe this is cringy to some of you. I'm just having fun, dude. My girl's studying, she's in school, maybe kind of stressed out. Not really, but she can handle it, but it's just a lot of shit to study. And if you're anything like her or understand it, there's a lot of shit to do, dude. So I just got back and we took a little break ski. Ran to the grocery store, got some stuff done, and I figured I'd make this C7 Z06 plowing snow video for you, just because we wanted to go out and fuck around in the snow anyway. We got like the perfect amount of slush and ice to do this. I don't know why I still have the mask on, I'm sorry. And yeah, I just figured I would. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm not gonna fuck with you too much more. We got a little bit more to clean off. So with that said, have a nice day.